Hi, the purpose of this video is to inform you of all the changes that are taking place in AP Chemistry. First of all, I hope you're doing well and you're feeling healthy. My family and I are all doing just fine. It's been nice to spend some extra time with them, and our dog Louie is loving all the extra attention. So first of all, the class content, the changes there. The big change is that we only have to cover units 1 through 7. Because those units will be on the AP test. So that means we're going to skip Unit 8, so we don't have to worry about all the work that we've been doing on Unit 8, and then we don't have to cover Unit 9. So that means starting tomorrow, we'll review up until we take the AP test. And then once the AP test is done, then we'll have some sort of project. Now, the changes that are taking place in the AP exam, first of all, it's not going to be a 3-hour and 15-minute paper and pencil test anymore. Now they've changed it to a 45-minute at-home test, and it's only going to be on free response questions, so there's no multiple choice. And then AP says you should be able to take the exam on any device, including being able to take photos of completed work and send that in. So they're making it as accessible as possible. They plan on having 2 different testing dates, and the testing dates haven't been posted yet, but I would assume there would be one on May 7th, the original date of the test, and then probably one later in the school year. But we should hear about that probably later this week. And then another big change is that anyone that's already registered can choose to cancel at no charge. So, and I think you would be able to make that selection on your AP Classroom website. And then more information will be out on April 3rd, including test dates and a little bit more information on the test questions. So what to do now? First of all, stop doing anything from Unit 8, and hopefully you got that message before today. If you haven't done so yet, you should finish the Unit 7 test corrections. And to do the test corrections, don't worry about the remediation assignment from the textbook. Just do the corrections, write down a detailed explanation, and email me photos of that. That'll be due on Wednesday. Another thing you should do is check labs on campus. All of those have been corrected and entered on campus. And if you are missing a lab, just email me for lab makeup information. For lab makeups, you're not going to be able to do the actual lab, but instead we'll do a dry lab situation where I just give you the data and then you can do the post-lab calculations and questions. So those are the things that you could be doing today. Finishing up the test corrections, checking on the labs, and kind of getting organized for units 1 through 7. And I put units 1 through 7 on the Schoology page so you can start looking at that information. And then tomorrow we're going to start reviewing. We're going to have, what you should do each day is check Schoology for the daily plan. And try to complete that every day, and you should try to have like a set time for you to work on your chemistry just to kind of get into a daily routine. But check Schoology every day for the plan, and it's going to be mostly screencasts, AP Classroom assignments. There might be a couple of virtual labs, Google Meet if I think that's necessary. And then we'll probably spend about 3 days on each unit to get reviewed in preparation for the AP exam. So until then, email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll start reviewing tomorrow. Have a good day.